What up, people? This is my first time making a YouTube video about my dirt bike, my new dirt bike. Well, sort of new. It's a 1997, I think, 87. It's a Yamaha 490. Show you what it looks like a little bit. It's been sitting in a barn for many years. It's just a lot of carburetor work on it. It's hard as hell to start it, but once it runs really nice. Really nice. It needs some work still, new tires and all that. I'd like to trade it for a 4-stroke bike, but I don't know. Still thinking. It's on Kijiji right now, this bike. Show you my other projects. Here's another project, a spring project. It's a pulling tractor / racing tractor. It's pretty fast, got a 25 horse motor in it.